Hey guys, what's up? It's 6:19 a.m. and I'm in Nepal. I'm in village area. In village we make nauni, which is raw material for ghee with our own process, by our own process. And today I'm going to show you how to do that. A typical village procedure to make ghee from dahi, that is curd. So before starting our video, let me first introduce some typical apparatus to make the raw material for ghee. This special apparatus you are seeing is known as theki Nepal. This is the cover of theki, and inside it we put dahi, that is curd. So guys, this is theki. We don't have cover for this particular theki, and this special things you are seeing is the long wooden framework you are seeing is called as madani in Nepali, and inside it we put curd. This particular things which is provided for the support of the madani. This rope is known as ghurro.
Although it is not the original gurro, but we are using it as it is.
This particular rope which is used to rotate the madani is known as neti, and the handle of neti is known as koila. So what we do is we put curd from which we want to make nauni, that is raw material for ghee, in this theki, which I have already done. I have already vibrated it a lot many times, but I am going to show you again that how to do job with this. This particular thing gurro is to provide the support to the madani. So in order to make nauni with this particular setup, first hold the koila with two hands. You pull one of the koila towards yourself. The other koila automatically goes towards the theki. Then after you push one koila towards the theki, the other one automatically come towards yourself. So in this manner you go on doing this. Just go on doing this. This goes on rotating. This particular thing goes on rotating. And so in this thing you put curd and then after water. After rotating with the madani, the particular thing squeezes in a very random fashions. You are seeing the foam that is in the upper side from this foam we make nauni. So guys, although this seems interesting, sometimes it is a lot more painful. So you should have it to do this. Otherwise, this thing and this thing pains a lot.
So when it is done, the upper layer and lower layer separates. The upper layer is nauni, which when we rotate madani, sticks with it and it also rotates. This ensures that the job is done perfectly. Now it is ready.
And this is how you extract nauni from madani.
So two things before concluding the video. In theki, you are not going to add dahi. To be more precise, it is the fatty upper layer that makes up the dahi, and then after you add some water, then you goes on rotating the madani. The second thing is the nauni thus prepared is known as butter in English. So we are particularly preparing butter from the fatty layer of curd. So guys, that was the typical procedure followed by most of the Nepali villagers Almost all of the Nepali villager follows that procedure to make butter from the fatty layer of curd. Thank you for watching the video. Show some love, show some support so that I can add more such videos in the upcoming days. Thank you.